Hi. My name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Before we begin, a very advanced happy Diwali to all of you. So this video is about a full-time and an internship opportunity for pre-final year students as well as final year students. So if you belong to 2021 year of pass out or 2022 year of pass out, this video is exclusively for you. So the company is CodeMonk. It's basically a startup. However, you have a very good opportunity to learn here, right? By the way, I make these videos on free courses of campus recruitments, company reviews, placement preparation, etc. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos where I already mentioned various videos on various offers and opportunities available for you. So this is all I recommend you. And if you're not interested in watching the video, you can always click the link in the description box below. That will redirect you onto this blog. Now you can read about this company in detail, right? So the company is CodeMonk. It is hiring for internship as well as full-time. Based on your performance in the internship, you will be taken as a full-time role, like in Amazon, right? So basically, you will be working under digital technologies, be it artificial intelligence, blockchain, IoT, or many other technologies. Then, so what are we looking for? Proficient in Python programming. Skills required are data science toolkit, be it NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, and Scikit-learn, Matplotlib knowledge. This is required. So knowledge of machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, or PyTorch is a plus. So if you have some projects on machine learning, I think you are like you have some good value over others. So when you are applying for internships and companies like this, they don't give you some tests when you are applying for this. Like under careers page, basically they don't ask you for a test. They will scan your resumes first, and if your resume really seems good and it sounds interesting, then definitely they will call back you. So you should not expect a call back from each and every company that you apply through careers page. You have to make sure that your resume is extraordinary and it is matching the requirements. Only then you apply for them. Most of the people think 0 to 1 as, so whenever they write, when a company mentions 0 to 1 as experience, people think that 0, as I am a fresher, I did not have any experience, as 0 is available, I can apply for it. No, basically the company will generally look whether you have an internship at least. That is what the company generally mean by 0 to 1 or 0 to 3, 4, 5 it means. So make sure that you follow that criteria. So most people don't even know this thing. So better you apply. Don't get disappointed by applying for each and everything that you see which is not your which is not matching your skill set. Okay, the requirements will be something like for a data scientist, and you are not required to know in and out everything from data science. Here you are just a student. They are looking for students itself, right? Let us see who are we looking for. We are looking for students in their final year or as well as a pre-final year student of engineering or relevant studies can apply. So if you have knowledge on Python data science toolkit, and if you are in pre-final year or final year, you can apply for this, right? And so benefits, you can check out the benefits: mentorship, letter of recommendation, certificate, flexible hours, work hours, and we believe in giving you ownership of your project from the start. You can experience the impact you have created on the business. So basically, you will be working on a project right from it. Basically, interns are not allowed to work directly on the project, but they will be giving you an opportunity to work on the project. So our internship ranges for 6 months, and you receive an internship allowance. It means you will be paid for your internship, and if you really perform well here, they will be taking you for a full-time role. So this was mentioned somewhere here. I have seen this. Uh, it was basically like I have seen this somewhere. You can check it out. Who will be taken for the full-time role? See here under note on exemplary performance during the internship, candidates will be offered a full-time role. So if you really perform well, then you will be definitely taken for a full-time role. So if it is your maths, if it is like, if you like this video and if you like this requirement, etc., you basically apply for it. And if you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't ask for what is the stipend during internship. They did not mention. It will be only discussed with the people who get selected at the first glance. So when you click on apply, it will be redirected to this page. You can see this, apply for here, your name, email, phone, and how did you get to know about this. Wait, so right here, what do you write? You write here EduSmart, right? And LinkedIn profile URL. So basically they're asking you for a LinkedIn profile. Means they're also going to check your LinkedIn profile. So do make sure that you have something post or relevant things related to data science, be it machine learning or IoT or blockchain. So cover letter is not necessary. However, if you're interested, you can provide it. You can also you should provide your resume, enter the captcha, and then click submit. That's how you'll be applying for this company. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to share it with your friends.